You can call me Wesley. I'm pushing 50. For the past 20 to 30 years, I've been running, let's just say, different types of projects around the globe. Every new assignment required a new identity. Most of these roles only lasted a few years before I had to burn them. I don't know if I've seen it all, but honestly, when you play a character so well that you actually start believing it's you, and then you're forced to change it, that is a pretty heavy feeling. But regular civilian life, truth be told, I'm still learning how to be a normal person, and I'm realizing there are so many everyday things I probably should have known, but never did. So I've decided to treat these hidden blind spots as official cases to share with you, sorting them into 5 clear folders. Folder A, things I wish I knew sooner. Folder B, things that are not too late to figure out. Folder C, things I wish I never knew until the day I die. Folder D, what I need my kids to know right now. And Folder E, 1-minute briefings you can't afford to miss. Oh, and one more thing. Since I'm still figuring out this civilian world, you see, in my past life, I preferred cash. I hated leaving digital footprints through mobile payments or credit cards. But recently, I just learned how to shop online. I'll be dropping links in the description below to the high-level gear and gadgets I've researched and actually liked. If you happen to like them too and pick one up, make sure to drop a comment and let me know. No matter how old you are, as long as you're watching this channel, walk with me and let's figure this world out together. Who knows? Maybe one day in the future, we might end up as colleagues under a completely new set of roles. Welcome to my channel. I'm Wesley. Time to get our hands dirty.
Hey there, I'm Wesley, a stranger trying to blend into this ordinary world one case at a time. If you want to explore the hidden anomalies of this regular world with me, hit subscribe. Check the description below for this week's case file, where I'll be sharing some of my newly discovered online shopping finds. See you in the next case.